Earn extra cash and achieve financial goals fast by taking online surveys. Discover top legitimate survey sites like Branded Surveys, MyPoints, HeyPiggy, Prime Opinion, FreeCash, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, CashKick, and Opinion Outpost. Each site varies in availability, age requirements, and payment methods. Factors to consider when selecting survey sites include reputation, survey availability, and payout methods. Maximize earnings by completing profiles, utilizing free offers, and prioritizing high payout surveys. Best practices for online survey success include creating a separate email address, taking breaks, and installing antivirus software. Watch out for warning signs of potentially illegitimate survey sites, such as membership fees, lack of customer reviews, and difficult qualification processes. Rest assured, surveys for money are legitimate endeavors, typically taking 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Some sites even offer instant cash or signing bonus points. Companies rely on surveys to gather valuable market research and consumer feedback. Start making money today with online surveys.